What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the dip head dipstick. So I did have this one from Billet, and I had it done custom, just like the rest of the engine bay. All of the flake that you can barely see because it's so dark in here and echoey, and it's actually freezing in my garage right now, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. So I haven't been able to use this one, and I'm going to show you why. This has been something that I talked with Billet about before, and it's honestly, I don't know, I guess to some people it's not an issue, but to me it's very much an issue, and I'm going to show you. We're just going to work over here. It's a lot warmer. I'm freezing. My dumbass decided to wear shorts even if it's in the garage. It's still pretty damn cold, and I don't know why. I really don't know why. So let's talk about this. This is the dipstick that Billet sent us, and this is the dipstick that goes in the car. Let's try to do it this way. Put it like this. Here, not a bend, okay? Let's start going across. This is significant, okay? This is where the oil is being read on their dipstick, and this is where the oil is being read on our dipstick. So this is what, to me, is a problem. The stock dipstick goes down deeper, okay? And it's going to let me know just how low or how high my oil is. It's going to give me a very accurate reading. And even if we look at the numbers, these are different dipsticks. I guess part number, blah blah blah. These are different dipsticks. That's going to be a small situation. Not going to be a big problem to fix it. The only problem was opening this, and I forgot to do it. Had it painted, and I had to have the painter redo it. But what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to remedy the situation if you do buy one of the quality. I mean, there are quality parts, obviously, from Billet. Okay, so this piece is actually two pieces. There's a line here. So what you do is, I mean, granted, I had mine broken open. There is like Loctite. You're gonna open this up, and you're gonna take this piece, put it to the side, and what you're gonna notice is this can pop through. You gotta give it the beans a little bit, and we can remove that. So this is the actual, that's the actual Billet piece right there. And this is what you're left with. So here you can see what they did. I did a video about this before. So basically all they did was cut a stock dipstick. So we're gonna take this measurement here, we're going to measure onto here, and we're going to cut this stock dipstick so that our stock dipstick can go back into their head area. Alright, let's see how we're going to go about this. Basically just going to take this lined up here, and try to eyeball it. Okay. It's not going to be rocket science. We're going to cut it with a Dremel, and then we're going to see what we can do with it. Watch this. Kind of hold it. We might have to tweak things here and there, but to be honest with you, it looks like I got it dead on, but we'll see. That's the whole point, trial and error here. Okay guys, after some trimming, it doesn't look the best in the whole universe, but I could tell where the line was, where I knew this would have to come deep in because this was painted. So I'm at that line. I know I'm deep enough. And inside here, I know I've cleared the bottom part of the thread. So basically, at this point, you can just take your cover, your little cap, and you're just gonna get it on there, and you're gonna give it the beans. And I would recommend saving this just in case, because you never know. But now we get to go here. We're gonna take our newly fixed dipstick, put it in. Try to get that in there. And that's it. Now it's as if it should be. You know, everything's good. It goes in, it sits. There's no movement, it's nice and flush, and everything is as God intended. Looks cool. You can still see faintly. Why am I echoing? Hello? That's weird, you can't hear it. Can I? So got the oil symbol. You know, we kept the original things, but obviously, you know, it's a subtle thing. So, yep, that's it. We're not gonna drag this out. It's fixed, doesn't look like crap anymore. We're gonna call that project done. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. As I said, I'm gonna take this and finally put this up here because I've been wanting to do this project. Oh look, there's my old one that I did this already. I'm starting to have a graveyard of things. Hopefully this made some sense to you. If you don't understand what I did or have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know. Send me a message, leave a comment. You can contact me on Instagram at HonestlyOCD. I'll be happy to answer any questions. I'm here for you guys and girls and anybody. Let me know what you guys need. I hope everybody's doing well, staying happy, staying healthy, staying humble. I'll see you guys on the next one.